LaView R12 Wi-Fi camera is an outstanding outdoor home security camera. R12 secures your home day and night from the rain or sunshine. Also, it's compatible with Alexa and multi-family member sharing. You could even get access to our US cloud service and check the footage anywhere and anytime with our R12. Step 1. Download and install the LaView app and register your account. Step 2. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Click plus icon to add a camera. Select Video Surveillance and then Smart Camera. Step 4. Link adapter to the camera in the package and mount an antenna. Step 5. Configuring R12 network demands your attention to the device sound prompt. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds and enter the rubber lid to reset the device. Camera will return to default factory settings followed by a welcome ringtone. Step 6. Wait until you hear a short beep, which means the reset is successful. Step 7. After the device is in standby status and ready for network configuration, you will hear 2 beeps. Enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi info and wait for the app to output a QR code. Step 8. After the device has scanned the QR code successfully, you will hear a long beep. Step 9. Press I heard a prompt when the camera beeps, and the camera will start appearing. When connecting, make sure to keep the router, mobile phone, and the camera as close as possible. Step 10. Wait until the camera is connected and registered to your account. Now you can start using the camera. App Introduction. There are different features on the home screen of the app. Time watermark is enabled to be removed from the screen. Signal strength indicates network stability of the camera. To ensure the user experience, please make sure the camera is placed in a location where the Wi-Fi signal strength is higher than 80%. Volume setting allows you to activate and deactivate the mute mode. Graphic settings. Both standard definition and high definition mode are provided as options of the resolution. Full screen mode. For our users' better viewing experience, we have a full screen function built in the app. Press the icon in the bottom right hand corner for a clearer visual. Screenshot. All screenshot will be saved to the album in the app. Two-way audio. You can talk to people by camera over the phone. Recording. Recorded video clips can be saved to the LaView app album. Playback. The footage will be stored in the SD card and replayed if you have an SD card installed. Cloud storage. We'll be uploading your footage to the cloud. You'll be able to view and replay these clips. Fees and subscriptions are bounded to individual devices. Photo album. You can browse screenshots and recorded video clips here. And in the top right corner, there is the setting icon. The name of the camera is on the top of the screen. It provides you with icon customization, device name, and device location settings for a camera. Then there goes the device information. You could find out the camera administrator, virtual ID, and other device info. The LaView R12 camera also supports third parties such as Alexa and a Google Assistant. Please check out our user manual or additional video tutorials for specific setup instructions. Basic function settings allow you to flip the screen. There are 2 options to detection alarm settings. You can adjust the alarm sensitivity level to low, medium, or high in motion detection, and select motion tracking to your preference. There's a time mode for motion detection which allows you to select a specific schedule for alarm trigger. The storage setting shows your storage capacity status. Local recording is default enabled. If you turn off the local recording, the camera will save your footage in the SD card. There are 2 recording modes, non-stop and event recording. In non-stop mode, You can have the camera recording continuously. As for event recording, the camera will be set to only record when it detects sounds or motions. You can set up a recording schedule in the schedule setting. The SD card will overwrite all this data when it's full. Also, you could simply format the SD card by the app if you would like to clear the space. You can subscribe cloud service by clicking VAS or cloud storage. Offline notification will allow the camera to send a notification when the camera is left without operations over 30 minutes. FAQ and feedback. You can find general resolutions to different issues, and if the issue couldn't be resolved, feel free to send us feedback and we'll get back to you once we receive it. Share device. You can share the device with another account and prove their access to the camera. If you wish to register this camera to other accounts, please remove the device from your account first and then add it to the new account.